Hi, thank you for your interest in the secure document product developed by X Securitas. You must have received a security document from someone. In this video I will explain how to open this security document using iPhone, iPad app. I assume that you have received an secure document file and a link to download dedicated viewer by email. You must first install a dedicated viewer to view secure documents. If a dedicated viewer is already installed, you do not need to reinstall it. First, click the viewer link for iPhone and iPad in the email to install the file. You will now be able to download and install Secure Doc Reader from iOS Store. Click the Install button to proceed with the installation. Another installation method is to search and install Secure Doc Reader on iOS Store. If Secure Doc Reader app is found, click the Install button to proceed with the installation. Now, let's go back to the email where you received the secure document. Click the secure document attachment to download it. After downloading the secure document, depending on the mobile version, the document may or may not open immediately. Do not worry. You can open security documents in Secure Doc Reader app. It is very easy. Click the icon at the top to open the downloaded file to Secure Doc Reader. Now click Copy to Secure Doc on this screen. You can see Secure Doc app installed on your device. Now, let's run Secure Doc app. You can see the summary.docx.vpdf file you downloaded by going into the inbox folder in the file list. Now, let's open the document by clicking on it. The login window is displayed. In the username field, type the ID that you received from the sender. Normally, this is your email address. At first, you will not know the password. In this case, after putting the username, click Forgot Password and the password will be sent to your email. If successful, a window appears telling you that the password was sent. If the ID is not an email address or the password retrieval process has failed, ask the sender for the password. Check your email now. You can see the email related to the password in inbox. The email has a secure document password. Now enter the username and password on the login window and click the OK button. This window is displayed when the expiration date or expiration count is set. This window is displayed when there is a notification. Now you can view security documents. You can also see watermarks in the document, such as the confidential phrase that looks translucent. For reference, the dedicated viewer works on Microsoft Windows, Mac, Android, iPhone and iPad. For Windows device, it supports Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10. How is it? Although you are now a secure document recipient, you can use the Secure Doc application to securely deliver documents to others and keep your documents safe. Secure your documents with Secure Doc application by X Securitas. Thank you for watching.